how to fix YouTube videos suddenly getting dark on Android. So if you want to fix YouTube videos suddenly getting dark on your Android, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your YouTube application. Then you need to click on profile or U, which is on the bottom of your profile or on the bottom of your page. Then click on the gear icon, which will be on the top right corner. Now here you need to click on general, which will be the first option. Then you'll find the appearance. You need to simply click on it. After that, you need to just set it to light theme. If you want to fix the YouTube video suddenly getting dark, then you can go and select light theme, because if it's set to dark theme, then you will have some kind of glitches on your themes. So you just need simply go and select the light theme. Or you can also use device theme, but if your device has dark mode on, then you will have the same kind of problem. So make sure to select the light theme option, which is here on the second one. Once you've done that, you need to go back, and then the next thing you need to make sure is your brightness. Make sure that you have not turned on your automatic brightness. So open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to just scroll down, and then you will have the display option right here. Tap on it, and once you're on your display, you'll have your brightness level. Tap on brightness level, and here you will have automatic brightness. So if you've turned on your automatic brightness, then your brightness or your Android phone will suddenly get bright or dark depending on the light. So make sure that you've turned off the automatic brightness, and once you turn it off, you can adjust your screen brightness as you like, and it will be fixed. That's how you can fix your YouTube videos suddenly getting dark on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.